AMP value equivalent to $0.0024 a coin in a very large manner. The present range, $0.0024, $0.0025, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, $0.0025 in a by and large significant way. The change basically was 0.0001, 4.00%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to AMP. AMP value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. AMP cost forecast for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.0022 in a significant manner, most extreme cost $0.0033, least cost $0.0022 incredibly. For the most part normal for the month $0.0027 in a really significant manner. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0031, change for August 40.9%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for September 2023, which basically is genuinely huge. First and foremost cost at $0.0031 incredibly, most extreme cost $0.0039, kind of least cost $0.0028, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The really normal for the month $0.0034 in a very significant manner. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0036, change for September 16.1%. Or so they basically thought. AMP cost expectation for October 2023 in a significant manner. Initially cost at $0.0036, greatest cost $0.0043, least cost $0.0036. The normal for the month $0.0039, or so they explicitly thought. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0040, change for October 11.1%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with, cost at $0.0040 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Greatest cost $0.0040, least cost $0.0032, which in a real sense is very huge. The extremely normal for the month $0.0037. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0034, change for November 15.0% in an unobtrusive manner. AMP cost expectation for December 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset cost at $0.0034, most extreme cost $0.0034, least cost $0.0027. For the most part normal for the month $0.0031 in a significant manner. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0029, change for December 14.7%. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP to United States dollars expectations for January 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Before all else cost at $0.0029, or so they in a real sense thought. Greatest cost $0.0029, extremely least cost $0.0025. The very normal for the month $0.0028, which sort of is genuinely huge. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0027, change for January 6.9%. Exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP cost expectation for February 2024, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. In the first place cost at $0.0027 in an unpretentious manner. Greatest cost $0.0027. Especially least cost $0.0021. The by and large normal for the month $0.0025. Or so they generally thought. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0023, change for February 14.8%, which sort of is very critical. AMP to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0023, which really is very huge. Most extreme cost $0.0029. Least cost $0.0023, which is very huge. The extremely normal for the month $0.0026. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0027, change for spring 17.4%, AMP cost expectation for April 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset cost at $0.0027 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost $0.0033, by and large least cost $0.0027 in an unobtrusive manner. The normal for the month $0.0030, AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0031, change for April 14.8%. As opposed to mainstream thinking, AMP to United States dollars expectations for May 2024 in a huge manner, initially cost at $0.0031, which in a real sense is very critical, most extreme cost $0.0031, least cost $0.0025, which is genuinely critical, the kind of normal for the month $0.0029 in a truly significant manner, AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0027, change for May 12.9%, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, AMP cost expectation for June 2024, which in a real sense is very huge, before all else cost at $0.0027, most extreme cost $0.0027, least cost $0.0021, or so they in every practical sense thought. The in every practical sense normal for the month $0.0025, AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0023, change for June 14.8% in an especially significant manner, AMP to United States dollars expectations for July 2024, which basically is very huge, before all else cost at $0.0023, which for the most part is genuinely huge, greatest cost $0.0025, least cost $0.0021, which especially is very huge, the sort of normal for the month $0.0023 in a genuinely large manner, AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0023, change for July 0.0%, in opposition to prevalent thinking, AMP cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.0023, most extreme cost $0.0023, truly least cost $0.0018 in a by and large huge manner. The normal for the month $0.0021, AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0019, change for August 17.4%. Which is very huge. United States dollars to AMP swapping scale sort of equivalent to 420.17 amps per $1 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Today's reach, 393.70 to 421.94. The past day's nearby, 395.26. Change for now plus 24.91. Plus 6.30%, as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to AMP expectations for August 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the first place cost at 454.55 amps in every practical sense.